Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the Rev Pro London Ultimate Artist Palette. I saw the tester of this in store and I got super excited, and I was even more excited the fact that this was on sale, so I just had to give this a go. So let's not hesitate, let's try this Revolution palette on today. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. So let's get started by trying on the Rev Pro Ultimate Artist Palette. The current retail price for this palette was £7. Originally it was £15, which is pretty high end for Makeup Revolution, or Rev Pro should I say. But when I show you the inside, you're clearly going to see why I picked this up, because I feel like this is an absolute bargain. So it comes in this really nice gold cardboard box. It is also in collaboration with someone. I'll put the name on screen here so you can see who collaborated with Rev Pro on this palette, because I'm not very good at pronouncing things. This is what it looks like. So it comes in this really nice, should I say alligator, or how do we say it in the UK? Alligator, crocodile? I'm not sure how we say it here, but anyway, it comes in this really nice alligator slash crocodile pattern on the palette, and inside, oh my gosh, inside. So inside here you've powders, blushes, eyeshadows and lip products. Isn't this palette gorgeous? You've just got everything you need for on the go. To let you guys know, this is a part one. In this video I'm going to be testing out the eyeshadows, and in the second part I will be testing out the powders, the blushes and the lip products. It will be uploaded on the same week, so don't worry, you won't be waiting thousands of years for the second part. I'm going to be testing out these eyeshadows because these look absolutely... these look gorgeous. So with the eyeshadows, you have different variety of finishes. So you've got your mattes, you've got your metallics, you've got, well, actually I'd probably say more shimmers actually, but we'll see how they apply anyway, because they might apply a little bit different. So, but yeah, I can see some shimmers, definitely some mattes. These bright colours here are calling my name. And I've noticed as well that this palette comes with a little plastic flip on top, like a little plastic protector on front. I was planning to take it off, but then I noticed it's actually attached to the palette, so if you were to take this off, you're pretty much going to break it. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. But I think the main reason why they had this is because of the lip section, because obviously these are all like cream lip products, so I think they put this case bit on here just to protect it. I mean, it has got a plastic thing on the lip products right now, but yeah, obviously when you peel it off, the lip products will become exposed. So I like the clever idea of the fact they've got this plastic case on front, so when you peel this off and use the lip products, you can just literally slap this on top and it will just protect the lip products. So I like the concept, I like what they've done with that bit there, so that way your lip products don't get dirty, because there's nothing worse than your cream lip products become exposed and then they get really dirty. I love the look of these blushes and these powders, but like I said, I'll test those in another video. So, but anyway, let's stop yabbiting on. I'll bring you guys closer and we'll test out these eyeshadows. Okay guys, let's try these eyeshadows out, shall we? So, oh my gosh, I really don't know where to start. There's so many gorgeous colours in this palette. I'm hoping this looks going to come out okay, because I've got to go to work later. Okay, right, let's stop hesitating. So I'm going to take that purple shade from the Brights palette. So I'm just going to pick that up on a Real Techniques blending brush. Ooh, that's very pigmented. So I'm just going to knock the excess off. Okay, here we go. I'm going to work this in the crease. Okay, it's not a bad colour actually. I thought it was gonna like proper smack in your face, but okay, so it's quite a subtle purple, but obviously I definitely reckon you can build this up. Oh yeah, you can definitely build this up. Look at that. Okay, I've just realised I think I brought that purple way too high, but oh well, never mind, we just got to carry on. So I'm now going to take that shade, that UV pink colour, so the really bright neon pink. Oh wow. That's a very neon pink. I'm going to see how these two amigos blend together, so I'm just going to add this on top. And I'm going to grab a blending brush and blend them on top. I'm just going to take a blending brush as my Essence eye blending brush. Just going to take that and I'm just going to see how these two blend together. Well, I am really impressed. Like, that UV pink just blended so nicely with that purple. Even though I brought it up really, really high, it just blended it out so nicely. I was getting really scared it might go patchy or something, but it actually hasn't. I'm going to go back in with a bit more of that purple. I'm just going to add a little bit more just underneath because I feel like we've lost a little bit of that colour. So I'm going to just go underneath and then go back in with the pink and just sort of blend them both in together. So just add a little bit more of that. Yeah, it's coming back really, really well. There is a bit of fallout with the UV colour, so I would definitely recommend doing your eyes first, then your face, because where the colours are so bright, it's gonna be impossible to sweep away. Okay, I think I've got my eyes how I want them to look. Okay, so I'm now just going to take a tiny little bit of that UV yellow, so that really bright yellow colour. So just use that same blending brush. I'm literally just going to dab it in once. So there we go. Oh, you guys saw that pigment? And I'm going to just blend this on top. Oh my god, you literally only need a little bit. Oh my god, wow. But yeah, you can definitely intensify and you can definitely add more if you wanted to. So yeah, I'm just going to go for another dab. Boop. Just going to go for another dab of that colour. Just going to add some more. These colours blend so nicely. I am obsessed. So right, I'm going to start cutting my lid now. I'm going to try not bring it so high because I don't want it to affect the purple. So just going to grab my little Essence All About Matte Concealer. Just going to start cutting my lid because I want to really test out some of those shimmers now. Okay, I think I've cut it how I want to cut it. So now I'm just going to grab that really nice blue navy shade from the Iconics. Just going to grab that colour. Just going to grab it on a Give Me Face Cosmetics brush. That colour there. I'm going to just going to apply this right on the outer edge. Oh yeah, that's showing up alright. This concealer base definitely helps with that. Judging from when I swatched it, I reckon if you didn't have a base with it, I don't think this colour would come out as vibrant, but the fact it's got a nice base to it, this is coming out really, really vibrant. Just going to take that purple again. Just going to blend it in with the purple. It's blended out really nicely for a shimmer. Looks really pretty. So now I'm going to go in with the gold shade, which is right next to that navy, and I'm just going to grab the brush which I used for my concealer. So there's the gold right there, and just make sure there's no fallout, and I'm going to blend that right next to, whoa, I'm just going to take that, not adding any excess product, but I'm just going to blend with that same navy brush. Just going to blend that gold and navy together. Okay, looking close up at this gold, it wasn't as vibrant as I thought it was, but when I spritzed the brush, it came out a lot more like a cream metallic. So if you're using this colour, make sure you spritz your brush or apply it with a finger, and then you will get this result. I want to use that matte black shade now from the Iconics. I want to try and use it as an eyeliner just to see how it performs. So just gonna take this black now, grabbing this Maybelline eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to start lining my eyes with it. Oh yeah, you can see the black. Right. Just gonna bring it along the line. So yeah, you definitely can see that black. And the wing, I'm going to have to do that off camera. Black, you have to sort of build it up a little bit so you get the colour there. But once it's built up, it's perfectly fine. It blended out really nicely, and I've done these wings as best as I can. So let's move on to the lower lash line now. So I want to put something in the waterline. I'm going to take that shade Emerald, which is that really nice green, well yeah, emerald colour. I'm just going to take, another angled brush, stamping this in the waterline. Okay, this green is vibrant. This green is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to take that nice dark blue shade now, that really nice dark blue colour. Just going to grab that same brush I used for the green, and I'm just going to place this under the lower lash line. Okay, so let's see how this dark blue applies with another eyeshadow. So I'm now going to grab that blue shade, which is, yeah, just called blue. So it's like a light turquoise blue colour. Just going to grab it on a flat studio brush, and I'm just going to connect that darker blue and the light blue together just to see how they blend together. Okay, so I want to put something in the inner corner. So I think I'm going to grab that silver colour, be on the safe side and spritz my brush. I'm going to pop that right in the inner corner. Wow. Whoa. That's a lot. I'm going to use my finger to blend that out. Okay, so to finish these eyes off, I'm going to add a bit of a brow bone highlighter. So I'm going to take that white shade from the Iconics. Just grabbing a very little BH Cosmetics brush. It's a very small brush. And I'm just going to apply that underneath as a brow bone highlighter. Just as like a tiny little one. Yeah, that's a lovely brow bone. I'm going to chuck on some mascara, and I'm going to let you guys know my final thoughts on the eyeshadows. Hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of this video. So my thoughts on the eyeshadows. I am very impressed with the eyeshadows. The quality of them is fantastic. So the only thing I'd have to say about it is the black, you have to sort of build it up a little bit. Gold and the silver, you have to use a wet brush for them to stand out. Oh, the emerald colour was beautiful. The blues, no issues with the blues. The yellow is fantastic. I mean the pink was really nice as well. That blended really, really well. The purple, I was so shocked. Usually purples are very hard to pull off. They are really, really hard colours, because I've seen so many people try and apply purples and they just go all patchy and horrible. So this purple actually did really, 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 really well. So I've tried to use as many colours from this palette as possible, and the only thing I can say as well is the navy and the gold. As I was carrying on putting on the eyeshadow, I felt like the navy colour was fading slightly, which is such a shame because this navy colour is really beautiful and I didn't want it to fade, and I was like, oh no, it was fading slightly. So I did reapply it with an eyeshadow, and it's come back now. As you guys can see, it hasn't left the face of the earth just yet. So, but apart from that, I really recommend this palette. I think these eyeshadows are absolutely beautiful. Love the quality of them. I think they work really, really well. So that's my opinion on the eyeshadows. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in part 2 of this video. Bye guys.